Hare Krishna. Today we are doing a satsang of death. Death is a curse or boon. The death is the most disliked happening of the life. Nobody wants death. Everybody wants to live forever. But the process is such, you have to undergo death. And when death comes, there is no previous intimation for you. Everything you have accumulated in the total life will be snatched from you within a moment. And you will have no say in that. So, what is this a curse or is this a boon? Let's go to Lord Sri Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, what he is saying about this death. So Krishna is saying, whatever feeling you have at the time of death, whatever consciousness you have at the time of death, that will decide your future. Whatever consciousness you die, that same rebirth you will have. If you die in the consciousness of money, you will get the birth as a money accumulator, businessman. You die in the consciousness of woman, you will become humanizer. Whatever consciousness you leave this body, that consciousness will follow you in the next birth. And the same thing is happening every time you are dying with some material consciousness and you are getting yourself into the material world where repeated birth and death takes place. Now Krishna is saying in the Gita that if you at the time of death remembers me, then you will come to the spiritual planets and you can avoid after that all these birth, deaths, even this material world. So, this death, which is a curse happening for immemorial time to us, can be turned to boon if you remember Lord Sri Krishna at the time of death. If you leave your body in spiritual consciousness. So, if you attach to Krishna, if you become his devotee, if you start practicing devotional service in the life, and you have regulated yourself as devotional man, and you take this death as an only exam to prove yourself as a devotee of the Lord, and if you leave your body in the consciousness of Krishna, then it is possible that you can avoid this death forever. And the same death which has appeared you as a curse till now will turn into a boon forever. So my humble submission to all devotees of Krishna, that make your life such that you should get attached with him constantly, perform his devotional service, become his devotee, offer his obeisances, chant his name, and read his pastimes, do the association of devotees, and with the grace of Krishna, definitely you can be successful in remembering him at the time of death. Krishna is saying in the 13th chapter that from me comes remembrance. So it is quite possible if you become devotee that he will bestow mercy for his remembrance. Because that Death is not a normal situation. It is most abnormal situation. You will undergo severe pain and extraordinary situation of mind and body. So in that you can be remember only the thing you have loved the most in life, what dedication and commitment you made in the life. That remembrance is possible at the time of death. No other remembrance is possible. No artificial imposition, artificial intellectual adjustment is possible, because at that situation is not normal situation. So my dear devotees, if you regularly practice devotional service of God with the grace of Guru and Krishna, definitely you will remember him at the time of death, and this same death which is appearing as curse to you will turn into boon. And if you do not do this, then because you are leaving this body and so much accumulated relation and passion, that will be a dangerous sorrow for you. And the same will follow in the next life, because whatever consciousness will follow in the next life. And with same sorrow, again a birth of sorrow and death of sorrow will follow you. So, my humble submission to the devotees is to practice devotional service and turn this death into the boon, not in a curse. And if you just remember Krishna is saying in the Bhagavad Gita, you will come to me without fail. And he has added a word, there is no doubt. So there is no doubt for all this. So turn your death as a boon, not as a curse. Become devotee of Krishna and remember him at the time of death. Thank you and Hare Krishna. Of Krishna and remember him at the time of death. Thank you and Hare Krishna.